Hi there everyone. I'm Alan Anthony. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is explaining exactly how you can use a trading plan. All right. You must have a trading plan in order if you want to be successful in trading the financial markets. All right. I would show you what I use and basically, in essence, what I'm hoping to achieve at the end of this video is that you must understand that you must have what you call a daily target, all right, using the compounding system. All right. Albert Einstein says that the compounding system is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who use it will be financially free. Those who don't will live to pay it forever and even remain broke. All right. So before I get started with showing you this trading plan that I use. All right. And I will also show you on the trading platform. I'll show you how it's applied to the trading platform. All right. I would love for you to click that subscribe button. All right. That notification bell so that you can continue to get videos when it's, like this one and others, in terms of other investment opportunities and strategies and methods and news, basically investment news information and so on. You will be notified on when those are put out. All right. And also hit the thumbs up button. All right. So let's get started. What I have on my screen here is an example of the compounding calculator. All right. So on the top there, you can see it's a compounddaily.org. So you can actually go into this website, compounddaily.org, and you will actually have this calculator in front of you, and you can juggle with the numbers on what you're hoping to achieve on a daily basis. Now, it must be realistic, and for all brand new traders, right? When you started trading live, all right, trading on a demo account is absolutely totally different. Of course, that is for just so that you can get to understand how to input a trade, all right, how to utilize the trading platform and so on. But once you start trading live, you must have a specific target. Now, my recommendation is that you work with a 3% per day, all right, for about 4 to 8 weeks subsequent to starting your live account. All right, 4 to 8 weeks. The reason why I use 4 to 8 weeks, I think that's a reasonable time for you to improve on the skill. All right, and after which you can go up to approximately 5%, and eventually you can graduate to a maximum of 8%, is what I recommend. All right, so as you improve, of course, you will be able to see the market better and get to understand exactly what you're looking for. And of course, you may actually be able to um, earn actually more than 8%. All right. So I'm just going to use $100 as an example. All right. This can be 100 US, 100 pounds, 100 euros, all right, whatever it is. All right. But we're going to use, like I said, 3% to start with. And I'm going to use approximately 100 days. All right. So compounding system simply means that the interest earned or the profits generated on a daily basis is reinvested and added onto your principal. All right. So I'll click. All right. So it's 100 is your initial principal. It's 3% daily generating 100 days and 100% reinvested, right? No trading on weekends, but you can actually trade on weekends, all right? And I would be discussing in a subsequent video. But of course, if you choose to trade on weekends, you can trade things like cryptocurrency, which is a 24/7 market, all right? But in terms of the forex market, all right, that is a 24/5 market, right? So basically, you can trade day or night for 5 days a week, right? Monday to Friday. All right. So we're going to be using 100 days. I'm going to click calculate now. All right. And $100 at 3%. All right. Basically, there's nothing to explain there. It's self-explanatory. It's like $3 on the 100. All right, reinvested. All right, so we're going to go straight down to 20 days. All right, so 20 days, you're going to be earning $505.26, $180 in generally, which is like $80 in profits. Now, guys, I want to actually, take some time to mention the intention here at first as a new trader is not to become a millionaire overnight. If you're coming into the trading industry with that mentality, you're going to be out the door as soon as you get in. All right. Because the fact is, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It has done wonders. It has made a lot of people wealthy, regardless of what the masses would say and be negative about it. But you must be disciplined. You must be focused. You must literally take the time to learn the skill set. It is a skill set that will, once you apply yourself, it would change your financial situation. All right. But look at this, for example, after just 1 month, all right, it's 20 days, it's 5 days a week, 4 weeks per month, 20 days, all right, total. You would have just been earning $5.26, but you would actually be generating 80% profit in 1 month. All right. So some people would see it as only $80, but it's 80% profit in just 1 month. All right. So let's just say after 1 month you're satisfied that you know enough, and maybe basically on the platform that you are on, you have a support system in place whereby you're actually able to get um, information from local or maybe international experts that you would have registered with, like the one on I Am Mastery Academy, or maybe you're in a group or organization where they actually give you the trade alert and the trade ideas, maybe on a daily basis. All right. So that being said, you would have improved by then in 30 days. So you can actually now, after 30 days, go back up and increase your daily interest rate to 5%. Okay. And then after the 20 days, you would have generated 180. So we're going to change the total to principal investment to $180. Okay. Now, once again, this is like on the first day after the first month. All right. So it's the start of the second month, basically. Okay. So just picture that. Forget the actual date that is there, but it's as if you started on your second month of trading live. All right. So 5% of 180, of course, is $9. All right. Let's just go straight down to after 20 days, which is after the end of the second month. You would have gained $22.74 on that day. All right. So that would be your target in essence. That would be a target. What it is 5% of the previous day's amount, which is the previous day's amount is $454. You would have generated $22.74. So your general overall principal from 180 would now have grown to 477, which in reality is approximately what? That's about 200% growth. Right. So we're going to go down to day number 40. Your target on that day is now $60. All right. But your income or your profit or your principal together with your profits included, would now be $1,267. All right. So let's just say after 40 days, you now can graduate, upgrade to generating 8% per day. So we're going to take $1,267. All right, we're going to change this to 1,267, 1267, and we're going to change to 8%. Okay, so now we would have already been through what that's like about 40, 60 days. Okay, basically it would take you up to, if it's consecutive days, it would take you up to September 21st. All right. But so what we're going to do now is add about 2 months again, which is like 40 more days. But we're going to have to minus the 60 days from the 100. So you have 40 days left up till September, and you're going to add 40 more days. So we're going to put 80 days here, right? And your 8% per day, and we're going to click calculate. All right. So the power of compounding, guys, is really phenomenal. And if you use and apply this system, you're going to be, I'm telling you, your life is definitely, financial situation is definitely going to change. All right. You have a target that you're working with, you're compounding and growing your account safely over time. All right. And of course, look at where you at now. With $1,267, basically, you would have now, you're on your the start of your fourth month, you would now generate approximately $100 on that day. All right. Let's just go down to the end of the month again. All right. Again, another 20 days, which is the end of the fourth month. Now, look at how different your life is already starting to look after 4 months using this system. All right. So it's $437 generated on that day. And basically, your principal is now $5,905. So we're going to go straight down to the end. All right. We're looking at 80 days. At the end of 80 days, look at the difference in the figure. Your target is $44,000, and your overall principal by the end of the year, all right, by the end of the year. Now, forget the month and date that you're seeing here. But of course, based on how I explained it, we are looking at by the end of the year. So in total, it's about 140 days. All right. So just picture you do using that system overall, applying that system overall over 140 days, spaced out over an entire year. So if you were to start in January, it's basically around 260-ish amount of trading days, but you're obviously not going to trade every day. All right. The reason why you're doing this is to give you back what you call, to give you that time freedom. All right. So you're spacing it out over 140 days over an entire year. But then look how different this number looks just for the start, with starting with just 100. So basically, by the end of any particular year using that method, if you were to start with that system from approximately January, you would have approximately $600,000, whether it's US dollars, Great British pounds, euros, whatever it is. All right, you can state on your platform in terms of how much you're looking, what currency you want to make, generate your profits in. All right. So what I'm going to do also now quickly is go into one of the platforms, right? This is the binary system platforms, all right, which is what a lot of people use. All right. This is called IQ Cent. All right. You can click the link below. There would be a referral link, which if you choose to, you can click use an IQ Cent account, generate an IQ Cent account, all right, whereby you can actually trade on this platform as well, right? So we're going to have in the link below, we're going to have a VidForex, an IQ Cent, and a race option links there, so that they all system is pretty much the same. All right. So I just want to explain what I just on the platform, how you do apply it. Now, we basically we the risk to reward that we're looking at is approximately 1 to 2%. When you just started, it would be 1% per trade. All right. So this account here has $4,300. So 1% of 4,300 is $43. So what you would do is put in the amount box. You would put $43 if you're using 1%, right? So you would have generated $43 would generate $36.55, right? Let's just say you take the trade for whatever time, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, it expires, it goes in your favor. Your profit would be 36.50. Now, whatever your profit should be on that day, your target should be on that day, you're using the same method until you're able to reach the amount. So what I recommend that you do is whatever your daily targets are, you can put your numbers here on the calculator, and you can actually either print this out or you can send the results to yourself via email. Right, so you're going to have this on a daily basis to work with. All right, one of the other system, what I should also mention is that we want to enforce proper risk management. So you're looking at 1 to 2% per day to gain, or per trade to gain 5 to 8%, basically, right? That's so your ultimate goal is to get a maximum of 8%. Let's just say on any particular day you gain 5% and you want to lock off, that's fine. When you reach your 8%, I recommend that you don't play hero. You go ahead and lock off for the day. All right. So basically, what you would do is you're using your 1 to 2% to gain 5 to 8. But you can have a bad day, meaning that in any one particular day, the market is not really going in your favor, regardless of the fact that you maybe getting the trade ideas from uh, experts, who is really good and maybe experienced in what they're doing. But of course, the market is just not conducive, and you would have experienced a couple losing trades. What I recommend that you do is lock off from trading on that particular time, not necessarily that particular day, that particular time, right? That you're trading when you would to probably experience a 5% loss on your overall principal, right? That's what I recommend that you do. All right. So let's recap. We go, whatever your targets are, you go to once again your compounddaily.org calculator. All right. If it is that you're depositing 100 to your account, all right. I done the demonstration for 100. Whatever amount that you're using to deposit, you put that there. And of course, like I said, if you're a brand new trader, I recommend you use 3% and then you graduate up to 5 and then 8% maximum is my suggestion. All right. And you use that particular system that I would have recommended. Now, you can go back and review this video over and over if you're not clear in the first time looking at it. And once you apply that method, I can almost guarantee you that you would be fine. You would be in the industry for a very long time. All right. And of course, you would not have major losses. And furthermore, and better yet, you're not going to have blow your account using that system. All right. So you basically, once again, you use the calculator, you have your daily targets here, and then of course you apply it to your trading platform, all right, on a daily basis. All right. Once again, I'm going to put the various links. If you do want to join my mentorship program, the link is also going to be stated down there. And on my website, it's alananthonyofficial.com. All right. You can actually click on the link and you can get registered on my mentorship program, whereby you would be getting guidance and directions on how, basically to apply this method, this system, and of course, different strategy methods, and also how to become a successful trader. All right. I'm Alan Anthony. All right. With another video. Looking forward to seeing you soon in my other video. All right. Take care, guys. Bye now.